if this guy here, or this camera here will focus, I'll show you that we just finished these wheel lights. There you go. Right there is how it looks. So we got his rock lights, wheel lights, we got our halos that, or his halos that we did for him a while back. Got those on blue. We got everything on blue right now, so this truck is just lit up with blue. He's got the underglow going on there. It looks like we're in like a bowling alley right now with all this blue light. Seems like black light. It looks freaking sweet, guys. So if you need any of this lighting that he's got going on here, you contact us and we'll hook you up. These wheel lights are going to be available on our website shortly. We will start manufacturing very shortly. This is the prototype. So.
Yeah, let's do it.